Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to resolve issues you may have with your right clicker on your Windows computer. So specifically if you're having issues with copying and pasting with the right click, so if you try to right click and then paste, nothing would happen. So in this tutorial I will walk through how to resolve this issue completely without using the right clicker at all. So we're going to start by left clicking on our start button and we're going to type in CMD. This will match us with the command prompt listed as a desktop app. You want to left click on that. I have a command that I've already pasted into this notepad file. Keep in mind you should still be able to use the keyboard shortcuts to copy and paste. So if you wanted to copy something, you could left click and drag over the text and then hold down the Control C key on the keyboard. Likewise, if I went underneath it and did Control V, it should paste. Again, this is not a resolve our issue at hand, but it is a workaround just to copy and paste this command. So now within the command prompt, we're going to do Control V, and then you're going to hit Enter on your keyboard. So at this point, if you try to paste something, I would recommend opening up a notepad file or something like that and right click and see if you're able to successfully paste text again. So let me copy this text and we can see that I'm able to paste this text. So hopefully this will work for you guys. If you're unable to copy and paste this command into the command prompt, do not fear. You can just manually write it in one key at a time. I will have it in the description of this video. I was just showing how I would prefer to do it if given the choice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.